Power surges, both large and small, can infect and wear down your equipment, shortening their lifespan. Every time a machine powers up or powers down, a surge is created. It spreads quickly through the wiring and jumps from machine to machine. In fact, a recent study shows that 60 to 80% of all surges start inside the facility. But there is a cure. PANELGUARD by Intermatic uses best-in-class TPMOV technology to eradicate surges at the source and prevent damage and downtime. PANELGUARD commercial and industrial surge protective devices are UL1449 listed and built to the highest standards and specifications. They come with up to 7 modes of protection and a peak surge rating from 50 to 200 kiloamps. They meet or exceed all requirements for lightning protection systems and have a 20 kiloamp nominal discharge rating. LED status indicators are standard, and you can include an optional audible alarm or dry relay contacts for remote monitoring. Don't leave yourself vulnerable. Inoculate your facility with PANELGUARD surge protection you can count on. From Intermatic, the most trusted name among electrical contractors.